Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can form an LLC in Hawaii. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this website called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing website which is going to help you easily create your LLC. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply click here on LLC, and then you need to call something your LLC. So I'm going to name it Stones Company, right? I'm going to check it if it's all right, and then I will just write here Hawaii, like in what state would you like to form, search, and then I'm just going to add here the email address, appears to be available, get my LLC, and now we're passionate about the companies we help set up. When do you want to launch? Let's go with it soon, and then just click continue. Is Stones Company your first LLC? Let's go with a yes. What will Stones Company do? And now just write here e-commerce, but you just write here restaurant, florist, whatever. And this is why it's important, guys. So many people, when they are starting a business, they are focusing all about the accountancy, all about the business administration, legal stuff, outsource it. Focus all your time for increasing the revenue, developing the business, making more effective processes and making really good systems to work. That's the goal that you should have as an entrepreneur. It's increase the get some value to the market and get paid for it, and then make it much easier to create the value and increase the revenue that you are asking, increase the money that you are going to ask from people to give you for better processes. I will explain in the end of the video. So continue. Will Stones Company have employees in the first year? Again, you just press yes or no. Essential services for Stones Company, you will require a registered agent, and then there is some legal documentation that you need to have. So see essential services. First, you can go with the registered agent of LegalZoom, or you can appoint a different registered agent. It's really up to you. And let's just click continue with LegalZoom. And right here, save time and money on the essential documents. You can go with the operating agreement plus EIN, or operating agreement, EIN, and licenses. What I recommend going with the middle one or the last one, because the EIN is important. Without it, you can open a bank or file taxes. So then, business services for Stones Company. This is something that LegalZoom offers. The first thing is legal guidance. There's 30-minute consultations with independent attorneys about tax issues, about tax questions, and etc. Some new legal stuff. You can also take the trial or no thanks. Then you're gonna see total compliance here. They're going to help you set up and stay compliant, taking care of annual report and fillings and formalities, and if they miss anything, they're going to pay for it. So this is good. So if they, I don't know, they pay the fine, not you. That's really good. Maybe you need it, maybe not. Completely up to what you choose. And then there is a package that you can choose. So you can go with the economy, which is going to cost $79, or you can go with the Express Gold, and it's going to take 10 days to create a company. Really up to which one you choose. And as you can see, 7 days a week, lifetime customer support is in Express Gold, and you're gonna be fine, right? So if you're gonna go with Express Gold in 10 days, in 10 business days, you're gonna have a company. So I would go with either standard or Express Gold, but you can go also economy. It depends on your financial situation. So let's just click here on Express Gold, and then you can also open checking account, but you don't need to. And then you're gonna see right here, do now, this is what you have to pay. Then just continue to checkout, but you can still change the plans here. Continue to checkout, and right here you just add here the first name, last name, and everything, address line, card number, and you just pay. And voila, this is how you do it. Now, this is how you can simply set up an LLC in Hawaii. What I recommend, guys, for everyone is focus on the process. I'm seeing plenty of entrepreneurs starting a business, and they're all about the legal stuff, all about the accounting, and they're not actually increasing the revenue. They are not making the money they want to make. And the question is how to actually make them. So the goal is when you're gonna have the processes, right? So you have 8 to 10 hours of work. In 8 hours, my goal is to have this amount of work done at this quality. The goal is to in some way make much more effective processes to increase how much content, how much whatever work I can do to this level with this time. And how you can do it? The first way is eat much healthier food. Then also limit your usage of phone and disable all notifications. Uninstall Instagram Messenger on your phone, what that you actually don't need. Even uninstall Reddit if you're using that, right? So these are the few things that you can do, but it's much more, it's much deeper. What you need to do also is plan your day in advance. So plan your future day, what I want to do tomorrow. Okay, and how can I'm going to do that? So plan that every day in the evening. And then what you need to do is reflect. Okay, did I succeed what I wanted into this day? If I didn't, how can I do it tomorrow so it can be more effective? And these are the questions that you need to have. So yeah, thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments. You can also write me an email. I can give you some consultation of what to do. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.